In today's video, we are going to navigate in Gemgala app because I've made a video about this app and a lot of people came to me. I doesn't know how it works. How can I earn money using Gemgala app? Does this app worth it for you to use? You are going to find out in this video. You are welcome back to my channel once again. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. In this channel, I share different ways to make money online and I review app here. Anything I'm doing, I bring it here to share. Okay, in today's video, we are going to navigate in Gemgala app. Okay, if you don't have the app, I'm going to put the link on the comment section of this video. You can check it on the description. Okay, now this is the how we are going to see the interface of the Gemgala app once you log in on this app. Okay, this app is very amazing. I have made a video, like I said before, I've made a video about this app and people are complaining that they don't know how to create a room, they don't know how to withdraw, which I've made a video how you can able to blind your Meet wallet address. Okay, so if you have not watched that video, you can go ahead and click on that video and watch this. I'm going to be putting on the description. If you have not watched it, you can go ahead and watch it. When I uploaded the first video I uploaded about this app, I tell you that before you can go ahead and open this app, make sure you allow your location, okay, which I've mentioned on that video. Allow your location so that you can actually meet your country people. Very important on this app, because if you don't meet your country people, you cannot be able to stay on this app for 1 minute. Okay, now you can see that different country is available. My network is not actually strong, but I need to go where I can actually find network as I'm recording this video now. So you can see that Nigerians are here. The thing is, do you know the most exciting thing I like about this app? Is that for my own experience, so you don't buy coins much. All you need to do, you can buy coins for you to use it to level up in order for you to create your room. As you can see, create room, you need to enter wet level 1 before you can able to create a room. As you can see, people are actually doing their party, but before you can do that, you need to create a room. I want to reply this comment. Let me read it now and I will tell you my own experience I have on this app, because I've been using this app for years. I just heard about the app and someone said with level 1 wet, you can create a room and earn $1 every hour you spend on live streaming. Is this true, please? The answer is that it is not true. $1 is not guaranteed on, like, it is not a guarantee that you will earn $1 each hours you spend. No. But the thing is that if you look at the app, once you buy coins and use it to level up to wet level 1, you can actually create your room, right? And you know that when you log on this app, they're going to be giving you coins every time you log in on this app. If you use these coins well, if you use this particular coins where they're going to be giving you, you can actually earn $1, right? Because they're going to be giving you coins. Okay, if they give you coins and you open your live streaming, use it to play game, use it to sell lucky gifts, you can actually accumulate $1. But it is not a guarantee that any life you spend you earn $1. No, it is not a guarantee. But if you use your coins well, you can actually accumulate that $1. But it is not a guarantee. Okay, if it is happening in your region, maybe you are watching this video, maybe you are earning that particular amount in a life, you can actually drop your comment, because I haven't experienced it before. This is actually my second account I'm creating here on this app. Okay, but I haven't experienced anything here in my region. Okay, so if you have experienced it before, you can actually drop your comments. Okay, no, but I haven't experienced before. Only thing you need to do on this app, once you log in on this app, you need to get coins and level up, open your party and start playing games and start selling lucky gifts. That is a way you can make money here, and also by video calling. Okay, as a young lady, I think as a young lady, because I don't think men can actually call men. Now you can see that this lucky race, now I just entered this game and this app is actually giving me sign. You see that sign giving me by hand, like I should touch this one. Anytime you enter this game and it give you a sign by touching that particular car, you need to select that amount and click on play. Let me show you something example you doesn't understand here. once, as you can see, I just added 5,100 coins now. Okay, so I didn't play it. Okay, once you click on play, it's going to, once the game finishes, you are going to win. But if you did not click play, which I'm going to be showing you how you can, I'm not going to win. But once the app will give you a sign, the particular one you're going to choose. But not every game the app is going to show you just once. But if you have coins, you need to add, maybe you can add 10,000 so that you can actually win big on that particular one. Okay, so now as you can see that that particular one, the app give me signs what is going to win. Now I'm seeing that this blue car is what is going to win. Now I have to click on it, and like now I'm going to add this 1,700 coin, because these coins, I haven't buy coins on this particular account yet, so I haven't buy coins. Okay, so now you can see that I'm going to go ahead and click on play. You need to click on play to confirm it, so that once the game win, you can actually win it. As you can see, I have 50,300 coins, my total for now, because I have bet 1,700 coins. Now let me know what is going to win now. I think that this one is going to win now. As you can see, it came out and I'm the one that win it. Okay, so now as you can see, I earn 3,800. So now you're going to see that my coins is going to add up. Okay, as you can see, 19,000 something I have accumulated now. Okay, as you can see, congratulations, one winner in your room have won 3,821 coins in lucky race. Okay, so now note that once you go to someone's room and you see this particular thing there, like this room, you can see that they say send me rows times 18. Do not click on send. If you click on send, all your coins will go. Do not do that, because everything is luck. You can win, you can lose. Okay, it is by luck. Okay, any game you're playing here, it is by luck. Okay, now you can see that this lucky race, make sure you investigate it before you can actually bet, because you can lose and you can get coins. Okay, is by, like, as you can see, all these people you are seeing here, they are playing games. Okay, and once you are playing that game, there is a time the game will say saint all. Okay, if you click on saint all, it's going to come here, and all these people you see on this room, you're going to be receiving coins. Okay, so this is what happens on this room. There is the host are playing, the gist are playing, and all of them are playing games now, and you can see that they are sending it to themselves. They are sending lucky gifts to themselves and they are winning. You see, this one actually sent and win almost 190,000. Check how many dollar is involved. 190,000 coins. Check how many dollar and how much you and check how much it is involved. Check how much. Just check it. Okay, just check it and know that this person is actually earn up to, let me say, $8 or $9 by playing all these things. Okay, now you can see that before you can actually send this particular gift, you need to unlock level one, worth level one. Means once you buy the coins, let me say you buy small coins and reach to worth level one, you can actually be sending lucky gift and playing. But if you does not level up and you are playing the game, there is a time the the game the game icon will show saint all. Okay, once you set all, you're going to be win. Okay, you're going to win. And it's good for you to level up in order for you to create your room as a lady, because you're going to receive call there. Okay, now as you can see that I have $2 on this account. Okay, and the minimum of withdrawing here is $10. You're going to be withdrawing. Make sure you watch the other video how you can blind your with meat wallet, because if it does not blind your meat wallet, omo, there is nothing you can do about it, and you cannot be able to make a withdrawal without you blinding your meat wallet. It's very important. Make sure you watch the other video how you can sign up, how you can blind your meat wallet successfully without you having any problem on this app. Okay, as you can have already added my meat wallet account and I use my phone number. You can actually watch that video. I'm going to try and put that video down on the comment section of this video. If you haven't watched it, go and watch it and know how to do this particular important thing. Very, very, very important. So now this is how you can go into cash out. Note that this app required ePay. It required an ePay account. If it does not have ePay, I don't know for that country, but for my own region, Togo, I can use ePay to cash out here. Okay, which I've already planned my ePay account on this particular one. If it does not have ePay, you can go ahead and create ePay now, verify ePay so that you can actually using it to be making extra income on this particular app. Okay. Disclaimer, this video is for educational purpose only. I don't guarantee any. Results may vary. Always do your own research before investing your money or investing your time on this app. Okay, so make sure you make your own research very well. Disclaimer, make sure you make your research very well before jumping in. Very, very important. Okay, you can see that you can actually invite your friends and earn money. And once you're inviting your friends and your friends download the app and join, we are going to actually make money by inviting. Okay, so now you will know that before you can create a room, you need to level up to what level 3 before you can create a room. And also, as a lady, make sure you verify your account. Use your face to verify your account before doing that thing. Make sure you verify your Mate wallet before doing any other thing. Thank you so much for watching and see you on my next video.